Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we'll discuss how to grow lilacs and care for them. Let's get started. Introduction to lilac. Lilacs are a popular flowering shrub species belonging to the Syringa genus. They are prized for their beautiful, fragrant blooms and are often grown as ornamental plants in gardens and parks. Lilacs have been cultivated for hundreds of years and are widely regarded as symbols of spring and new beginnings. When and where to plant it. The best time to plant lilacs depends on the climate and the type of lilac that you want to grow. In general, lilacs should be planted in the fall or spring when the soil is workable and the weather is mild. Fall planting is best in mild winters because it establishes roots before winter sets in. Spring planting is recommended in areas with harsh winters after the last frost has passed. When planting lilacs, choose a location with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Lilacs need at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sun daily to thrive. If planting in the ground, ensure the soil is fertile and amended with compost or other organic matter. If planting in a container, use a high-quality potting mix and choose a container with drainage holes. Ensure the container is large enough to accommodate the root system and has good drainage. When planting, water the lilac deeply and mulch the soil to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. How to plant lilacs. Choose a location with well-drained soil and at least 4 to 6 hours of sun when planting lilacs. Prepare the soil by removing weeds and amending it with organic matter, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. Dig a hole for the root ball and space multiple holes 3 feet apart. Place the lilac in the hole with the top of the root ball level with the soil. Backfill and firm the soil. Then water deeply. Finish by mulching the soil with organic material. Follow any specific instructions for the lilac to ensure optimal growth and health. How to care for it. Favorable growth conditions. Caring for lilacs involves providing the right growing conditions, including adequate sunlight, moisture, and nutrition. Lilacs need at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sun daily, and well-drained soil rich in organic matter. To conserve moisture and suppress weeds, mulching the soil with 2 to 3 inch layers of organic mulch, such as bark or straw, is essential. Lilacs also require regular watering to moisten the soil, especially during dry periods. However, it is essential to avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Regarding nutrition, lilacs benefit from regular compost or a balanced fertilizer, especially in the growing season. Regular pruning is also essential to promote healthy growth and encourage the production of more blooms. Additionally, it's essential to monitor for pests and diseases, and take appropriate action to control them if necessary. Thanks for watching.